What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Twitter lag issue on your Redmi cell phone. So first of all, try updating your app. So to update, open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for Twitter app. Now if your app is not updated to the latest version, then here it will show option of update. So tap on update, and after updating the app, the lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings. Now tap on about phone and then tap on this software version. Now it will start checking for updates. So if your phone is not updated to the latest version, then here it will show option of download and install. So update the phone's software, and after that the Twitter lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the Twitter app icon, then tap on this information icon and then tap on storage. Now here tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And now clear the data. So to do this, tap on clear all data and then tap on OK to confirm. And after that the Twitter lag issue will be fixed. But somehow if you're still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings, tap on about phone. Now scroll down and tap on factory reset and then tap on erase all data to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default and everything from your phone will be deleted, including contacts, photos, videos, apps, accounts. Everything will be deleted. So after resetting the phone, the Twitter lag issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Twitter lag issue on your Redmi cell phones. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.